What's going on, guys? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here, and a little bit of a fun one today. There's a new thrift store here in town. We're gonna go check it out. So here's the deal. This thrift store run by the former manager of another thrift store in town. We've gotten to be friends a little bit. It's a little space, but I took a really quick walk through the other day before it opened, and I think he's going to do well. He's got some good stuff in there. I haven't looked at it with an eye toward reselling any of it, so that's what we're going to do now. They opened today. They opened this morning, so it's been open for a little while. People, I'm sure, nailed that thing right away. But I'm going to go see and see what he's got. Look at that open sign. Nice job, Aaron. How's it been going? Didn't realize you're on TV.
Super busy.
Were you?
You doing a video?
Yeah, I will.
I'm gonna restock this thing for you.
I figured do a little bit of a walkthrough. Look at that.
$60 for that right now, Walmart. Third of the price, bro.
And that Yamaha. That's cool. I know it is.
I'm surprised that sold.
It turns on. Did you turn it on? Oh, yeah. So let's see what in here belonged to me. I got Aaron a whole bunch of stuff the other day that didn't sell out of our sale. Some of those, I think. Most of these are mine. Let's see if I can find one that's not. There's his pricing. So, not bad. Okay, so we gotta find. We got a Carhartt. It's a medium, which I don't love, but Carhartt is fantastic. Zippers work. This just a lined vest. This is probably $20. another find here, guys. Don't know what it is. Honeywell, definitely high quality stuff. Scanned the barcode. That's what I did. But you open it up, and there we go. There's actually only 2 of these right now listed. One sold, $55 free shipping. The other 2 that are listed are higher. So what does it do? I don't know. But it's new, I believe, in an open box. I'll have to double check. Oh, pretty cool. So this one's in a little bit rough shape, guys. What they call my 413H. This is made in USA. This is vintage. This is a briefcase style. It's a camp stove is what it is. So this is the box. But you can see it's a little bit rough, but in good condition. These are very, very sought after. $25 on up. New old stock, you're looking at over $100 for something like this. All right, let's cruise the shoes. Some Nike Air Max down here. As we are back home, I got some footage in there, didn't get a lot of footage in there. I got a little bit of tight quarters, so I stopped doing that. But we picked up a couple of things on the way out the door that you, I think, didn't see. So let's check out the haul. Okay, so maybe just one thing you didn't see, now that I look at it. This was the first thing we found. Remember the Carhartt lined vest. I paid $4 for that, I believe, and I think this is about a $20 vest. It's nothing fantastic, but it's going to move very, very well. So Carhartt, a good brand to look out for, especially the lined stuff. Now remember, this is a medium, which isn't fantastic, but the brand will carry it. So we did get that. We've got these pair of Nike Air Max. Now these, I initially grabbed them thinking these are in great shape. There's only a tiny bit of wear on the bottom. Well, look at this. I think it was wear in the store because it's still got the size tag in there. So I'm pretty sure these are essentially new open box. I might list them as new other because there is a little bit of wear on there. Paid $10 for them. I think these are probably, I mean, used, they'd go for about 20 or 25 bucks, but in this condition, barely used, I think we can probably get about $30 or $35 out of them. So these are a good pair of shoes and a really good size. This I am gonna have to Google because I don't know what it is. You guys know what this is? A pressure troll. I mean, obviously it's some sort of pressure control. It's got mercury in there. See that? There's some mercury in there. I don't know what it is, but it is unused. It's in great condition. And there's one sold for 55 bucks. So we're going to pick that up for $3 for sure. This thing, you saw that, but this thing is the thing I'm actually most excited about. You've seen this on this show before. It's a pickle keeper. This is now going to be the 6th vintage Tupperware pickle keeper that I've picked up and then sold. And yes, it will sell. It will sell very, very quickly. Let me take off the top here just in case you missed it last time. Well, let's go this one. Okay. So you want to, when you find these, you want to make sure that it's got this piece in it. Okay. That's the piece. This has got the pickles in it, right? And then you lift it up out of the juice. Voila. There's your pickles. And you don't have to stick your hands in the juice. These things, for whatever reason, sell, and they sell all the time. Not for a ton, but this is probably a $15 piece. Anywhere between 12 and 15. I'd have to see what they're going for right now. But I picked up 5. I've sold 5. This is number 6. Paid $2 for that. And then this thing. Now, we paid up for this, but like I said, Aaron's a friend. He watches this show. So, Aaron, if you're watching, Thanks, man. I appreciate the stuff, and I know I'm going to get good deals down the road. This $35. Now, this Game Boy Advance itself, this unit right here, the Glacier, is what this color is. This is going to sell for about $40 just by itself. This is a $40 unit, but it's got the little magnifying thing going on, so I think that is going to add a little bit to it. So we do have the magnifying. And we've also got the original case. See, here's our Game Boy Advance case. And we've got 5 games. So this is going to be a nice little lot. Now, these games, super, super basic. They're not worth very much by themselves at all. This one, maybe, but I don't think so. These are nothing. This one's about $20 game. Maybe a little bit more. So if we pair that with this, now remember we paid $35 for everything. So paid up a little bit, but I think, or what we'll probably do is put this at auction, and I'm going to start this at $39.99 because it comes with the case, because it comes with games already and Mario. I'm going to think that we might be able to double our money on this. We're certainly going to make money, and it's going to move, and it's going to move quickly. So this is a nice little pickup. So there you go, day one in a new thrift store. Found some treasures, even though I went there late. I know they were slammed. They were very busy today, which is a good thing. Aaron, congratulations. I know that's something he's wanted to do for a while now. And you're starting off gangbusters, buddy. It looks pretty good. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. I sure appreciate it. Not a huge haul, but we're going to make some decent money on that. We paid $54 all in. We ought to get that much out of that Game Boy, and then everything else is going to sell for profit. So, I think we might have doubled our money today, maybe a little bit more than that. We might have come close to tripling our money. So that's fine for a 30-minute swing through a friend's store. I'm happy with that. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that bell. That'll let you know when we put new stuff up, and comment down below. Tell me what you think of this sale. As always, if you guys are interested in anything, let me know. You know I'm going to make you a smoking deal. Thanks for stopping by. I think I've said that before. We'll see you next time.